Hi everybody. I want to put a quick video together to describe variables and arrays, the differences, and hopefully that'll make it a little easier to understand how to implement arrays in your pseudocode. As we know, a variable is a single container with only one compartment. Technically speaking, it's a location in memory that you give a name so that you can access it. In this case, the location or the container is my box. And in there you can put numbers if you declare it as a numerical data type. And you can put 573 or what have you, but you can only put one value in that variable at any given time. But you can change it. You can vary it. That's why it's called a variable. You can also put strings in it, alphanumeric characters, by declaring it as a string data type. And then you can put strings in it, which is what I've done here. I simply did a real easy assignment. My box equals hello. And what that says is find the location in memory, the single container called my box, and put the string hello in there. I've actually put data inside of that compartment. Now arrays work pretty much the same way with a little more flexibility. An array is a single container with multiple compartments. Just like a pillbox, has 7 compartments, one for each day of the week. It's just one item. It's, one piece you hold in your hand. It is a pillbox, but it has multiple compartments. And that is the power of arrays, because you can put more than one piece of data in that container at one time. It's just separate compartments. Okay, you can declare these very similarly to what you would a variable. Number or num pillbox, but then you use square brackets, and inside of them you put the number of compartments you want the array to have. In this case, there's 7, one for each day of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 compartments. You can also tell it you want to put strings or alphanumeric characters inside of each one of those compartments, and so you would just call it string pillbox, and inside of your brackets the size 7. Now the difference is that in order to access each one of these, you simply would write pillbox and then in the brackets the number of the compartment that you want to access. Now I've got it written here: used to place or retrieve data from one element. An element is a compartment. It's a single element. In this case, the third element from the array, named pillbox, is accessed with pillbox 2. Well, why is that the third element but pillbox 2? That's because computers start counting at 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And again, if you look down here, you'll see it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To access these separate compartments inside of pillbox, the first compartment is pillbox 0, then pillbox 1, pillbox 2, pillbox 3, pillbox 4, pillbox 5, and pillbox 6. Now remember, there's 7 compartments. You might want to put something in the 7th compartment, and you might want to make the mistake of saying pillbox 7 because it's the 7th compartment. No, it's pillbox 6 because it starts counting at 0. Alright, well I hope that helps at least get an idea of how arrays work as far as the computer goes. These become very, very powerful, and I'll probably put another video together here after a little while that talks about the parallel arrays. But until then, thanks for watching.